All right, today is March 8th. It's been raining all day. I'm in Caledonia, Wisconsin, and I'm going to take a water sample of this rain. I just collected it. All right, testing at 1 part per million. I'd say this is actually pretty clean water, but I am finding some weird stuff in here. This is 140 times. Okay, let's switch it over to 350 times. Okay, see these little black dots? Some of them are actually blue or purple. And that's the retention line of the dry drop. Let's go into the center here a little more. Like this thing, it's actually like a blue. Kind of like the plastic pieces. And I don't know if that would be aluminum particles or not. Okay, these those are actually blue. I don't know if you could see the color, but they're blue. I wish I knew what aluminum or barium nanoparticulates look like. Okay, this is 1,400 times. Again, it doesn't really pick up the color. And this kind of stuff is not in distilled water. Even though that will check out at 1 part per million also, but this stuff is not in there. All right, still at 1,400 times. This is the best I can actually focus it in. Let's back it up and see what that looks like. We'll focus on the 3 in the center there. Okay, there's the 3 in the center that we were looking at. This is at 350 times. As you see, well, maybe you don't see, but it is a lot more blue in color now than it is when you look at it super close. All right, here it is right here at 140 times. So you can tell it is very, very small, whatever it is. My guess, either aluminum or whatever particulates that they spray in the air, or it's, hey, it could even be some sort of chemical residue. All right, this is the last particle I want to look at. And this is 140 times. Let's go over to 350 times. It almost looks like a perfect little ball, like a BB or something. Let's see if I can get 1,400 times. Okay, here's 1,400 times. This thing has a little bit of height to it, so it's really hard to get a good focus on it. Well, there you have it. Rainwater that is almost pure.